In the fast-paced modern world, every kitchen needs a hero that can whip up delectable meals quickly, efficiently, and effortlessly. Enter the Everyday Griddle, a versatile culinary companion that transforms ordinary cooking into a delightful experience. With its innovative design, family-friendly size, and intuitive features, this electric griddle is poised to revolutionize your culinary endeavors and elevate your dining moments. A culinary canvas beyond imagination. The Everyday Griddle transcends the boundaries of traditional cooking appliances, offering you a canvas to create a myriad of mouth-watering dishes. Beyond the realm of just pancakes, this griddle unlocks your culinary creativity, allowing you to craft everything from eggs to quesadillas, from grilled cheese to burgers, and from stir-fry to cookies, all with the ease of a single cooking surface. Whether you're catering to the adventurous palates of your family or seeking a quick meal solution on the go, this griddle is your ultimate ally. Family size, flavors galore, measuring a generous 20 by 10.5 inches, the Everyday Griddle isn't just an appliance, it's a statement of culinary prowess. The expansive cooking surface is tailor-made for family feasts, entertaining gatherings, or crafting a medley of dishes to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Say goodbye to juggling multiple pots and pans. With this griddle, you have the space to orchestrate a symphony of flavors in one go. Efficiency meets elegance. Simplicity is the hallmark of the Everyday Griddle's design. With a user-friendly plug-and-play mechanism, this griddle heats up within minutes, saving you valuable time and energy. The intuitive heat probe lets you fine-tune your cooking temperature, ensuring that every culinary creation is infused with precision and perfection. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast or whipping up a last-minute dinner, this griddle empowers you to create magic in the kitchen. A cleaner kitchen, a happier you. Cooking joy should never be eclipsed by the dread of post-meal cleanup. The Everyday Griddle takes your convenience to heart with its photo-free, non-stick surface. Every culinary masterpiece glides effortlessly on the griddle's surface, guaranteeing an even cook and consistent results. The thoughtful addition of a drip tray ensures that excess grease is captured before it reaches your countertop, simplifying your cleanup routine. With this griddle by your side, you can savor every moment of cooking without the looming chore of scrubbing. Crafted for your culinary journey, the Everyday Griddle isn't just an appliance. It's a culinary journey waiting to be embarked upon. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, this 1,500-watt marvel comes with anti-slip feet, a drip tray, and non-stick heating surface. The inclusion of a recipe book and access to a comprehensive recipe database unlocks a world of culinary possibilities, transforming your kitchen into a canvas of flavors and aromas. And with US-based support, ensures that your culinary adventure is backed by reliable assistance whenever you need it. Ignite your culinary imagination today. Are you ready to embrace a new era of cooking? The Everyday Griddle invites you to rediscover the joy of creating, experimenting, and savoring. Elevate your culinary endeavors, delight your taste buds, and infuse your family meals with flavors that resonate with your heart. With the Everyday Griddle, cooking isn't just a chore, it's an art that brings joy to your kitchen and warmth to your home.